Ever needed cash fast? Withdrawing from Sofi like a pro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a situation many of us might face, needing some quick cash. Maybe it's an unexpected bill, a last-minute weekend getaway, or that fancy gadget you just can't resist. But what if your funds are tied up in investments? Don't worry, if you're a Sofi user, accessing your money is easier than you think. Sofi isn't your traditional bank, and that can raise questions when it comes to withdrawing cash. But fear not, fellow finance enthusiasts. This video will be your one-stop guide to navigating Sofi withdrawals, from understanding what's withdrawable to getting that green goodness in your hands or wallet. First things first, let's talk about Sofi accounts. They offer a variety of options, from Sofi Money, think checking and savings, to Sofi Invest, for your stock market adventures. The key thing to remember is that withdrawals work differently depending on which account you're using. Sofi Money is pretty straightforward. It acts like a traditional bank account, so your funds are readily available. Need some cash? Head to an ATM. Sofi boasts fee-free access to a massive all-point ATM network, dwarfing the reach of major banks like Chase or Wells Fargo. That's a win right there. Now, Sofi Invest is where things get interesting. This is where you grow your wealth through investing, but what if you need some of that money back? Here's where the concept of withdrawable cash comes in. Not all your investment balance is instantly withdrawable. Part of it might be tied up in ongoing trades or recent deposits that haven't settled yet. Sofi clearly displays your withdrawable cash amount, so you know exactly what you can access immediately. To initiate a withdrawal from Sofi Invest, you'll be using the Sofi app. It's a user-friendly interface, and the process is quite smooth. Just navigate to your Invest account, find the Trade section, and then the glorious Withdraw button. Here, you'll specify the amount you want, up to your available withdrawable cash. Of course, choose the destination bank account, make sure it's linked, and confirm the transaction. Sofi then works its magic behind the scenes. They might need to sell some of your investments to free up the cash, which typically takes one business day. Once that's done, the transfer to your linked bank account happens electronically via ACH. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's processing speed. Now, a heads up, Sofi doesn't charge any fees for withdrawals. That's a big plus. However, keep in mind that your bank might have its own ATM fees, so factor that in if you're planning an ATM run. Here are some additional points to remember. Selling investments for withdrawal can impact your portfolio. The market fluctuates, so the value of your investments might change between the time you initiate the withdrawal and when the sale happens. There might be a holding period for new deposits or bonuses. Sofi applies a 5-day hold on these funds before they become withdrawable. Sofi Invest doesn't offer debit cards or checks. If you need immediate physical access to cash, Sofi Money might be a better fit. By now, you should be a Sofi withdrawal pro. Remember, the key is understanding the difference between your Sofi Money and Sofi Invest accounts, and knowing what's readily available for withdrawal. The Sofi app makes the process a breeze, and with fee-free access to a massive ATM network, getting your cash is convenient and cost-effective. So there you have it. Withdrawing money from Sofi is a smooth and straightforward process. Now you can access your funds whenever you need them, without any unnecessary hurdles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.